As children, we used to make these heart baskets where you weave in 2 pieces of paper so that it becomes a heart and a basket. I have made so many of them in my life that it didn't take any time at all to remember how to make it. Some time back, I decided to make a pattern where you use the same idea, but it's crocheted. And it's actually not a basket, it's just a flat piece. It's ideal for Christmas decoration. So I have a few here now in this little tree. You crochet 2 separate pieces like this, and then you pass these just like in a basket weave. The size of the heart, of course, depends a lot on what kind of yarn you are using. So for these bigger ones, I'm using very chunky yarn. This is actually meant for felting. So if you put those into washing machine or rub them with soap and water, they would get felted and get much smaller. And for them, I use the large hook, 8mm. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it would be lovely if you could do that now. For this one, the yarn weight is double knitting and my hook is 3.5mm, so obviously much smaller. This pattern works with any size of yarn and hook, just the size of the finished heart varies. I have a former video. It's a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the hearts, so I didn't make another one. Instead, I'm linking it here, as well as in the description and in the pinned comment. And check out also the playlist for other Christmas ornaments to crochet.